Welcome back to my channel. It's been a little bit. I'm gonna put the wheel spacers in to space it for I can run my sprocket and chain on without hitting the frame. So that's what I'm gonna do. Back to my channel. I just want to touch base on this scooter. I know I ain't put detail out on getting it together, but I finally got the back sprocket all situated, and I got the rear end in. So, and I got the motor. I got this 3-horse motor on Amazon, and a slip clutch on Amazon, and the chain on Amazon, and the sprockets. And I got the diamond plate all done. Got the front end all good. And I had to put this stabilizer on the bottom. That way it supports it for it doesn't buckle them tubes, but it should be good. And yep, this is almost done. I probably got one more video and it's gonna be on the road. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.